I got the silver GE. Couldn't be happier with remote. Setup is super easy. It's exactly what I was looking for. Thank you, smiley face. Very nice little remote that comes pre-programmed for all Samsung TVs. The remote to our Magnavox was ruined, so we needed a remote. This was perfect. It comes with all the codes listed to program your device. Very easy to set up. The sleep button is very useful. The remote is easy to control. I used the direct code entry and in the first try it worked. The sleep button does not work. I realize this control doesn't have a menu button, which is troublesome. I'll keep this one and my old one so I can access my menu. Thank you. Prob the easiest thing I've bought on Amazon, lol. Just punch in a code and boom, it works. Great little replacement remote control for my Sony Bravia TV. I just needed a simple replacement remote control that turns the TV on and off, change the channel, controls the volume, and mutes, unmutes. This one was cheap, easy to program, it works really well. I'm using this on a Samsung TV, so all I had to do was install batteries and hit the power button. It controls all the functions the original remote did and has a slimmer profile. I especially like that it has a flat bottom, not rounded like my original one. The keys are not backlit, but I'm okay with that. Click link in description for more reviews.